parents with special children. But what about their siblings? How do they deal with a special case like autism in the family? Today in Mom to Mom, we will talk to a sister about her experiences in growing up with a special child in the family. Hi, Lyra.
Hi.
How was it like growing up with a special child in the family?
I really cannot understand him at first because he's not like my other sibling wherein they can play with them. But us, I cannot talk to him. When he was 2.5 years old, he cannot look at us in eye-to-eye contact. He cannot talk like other child his age.
So ano yung mga initial feelings mo nun?
I really can't understand him talaga. Dahil na he has tantrums. And he wants to turn off the TV and I want to watch something. I really
So,
can't understand.
nata-frustrate ka?
Yeah, I'm so mad at him.
Was there ever a time that you were so mad that you did something that you were
Yeah,
sorry about?
I spanked him, I hurt him. But then my father told me that my brother is special and he needs more understanding. And if we cannot love him, who else can love him? After that, medyo napag-isipan ko rin na tama nga, kami lang naman yung kami magkapatid. So, we have to love each other.
Aside from the fact na kinausap ka ng dad mo, ano yung turning point mo talaga para masabi mo sa sarili mo, ayoko na, magbabago na yung tingin ko sa kapatid ko?
It started when I was in high school. Nung nagkaroon ng recollection sa school, I learned na how to love him. Sabi ko, he was given by God to us. I have to love him.
So how do you help reach out with your brother?
I always talk to him. I always give him pasalubong. And that, we listen together. He writes something and then I will read it.
How do your parents and other family members help him improve?
After they knew na he's an autistic, they sent him agad to a special school. And then, after that, he learns how to talk. Not really talk, he cannot converse talaga. But the papa, mama.
So you think dapat may awareness tungkol sa autism? Kasi marami ng autistic children ngayon.
At saka pag nasa mall, they stare at us na parang yung brother ko different. Nakakainis, pero naiintindihan ko rin naman na syempre different niya. Pero sana magkaroon ng autism awareness. Para, like in the US, parang it's like normal lang sa kanila. Unlike here na hindi pa nila ganyan kaalam. Autistic children are special talaga. They are given to us by God. They sent them to us because God knew that we can take care of them. Let us just love and accept them.
What about for those people who do not have special children? How can they understand?
Sana hindi nila pagtawanan or sana hindi nila parang ikutsin. Kasi it hurts us and even more than sa brother ko. Kasi even though he cannot speak, I know he feels that deep inside, he can feel it.
So ano yung biggest learning mo in having a special brother?
I learned the value of patience and understanding. I'm the first daughter, lahat binibigay sa akin. So when he's there na, parang the attention nawala.